I think the glaring question before we start this course is why learn these materials? Why bother spending the time on something as arcane as a leverage buyout model? Well, for those of you going into investment banking, many of you will work on sell side transactions where a private equity buyer is involved. And as a consequence of that, you will often be asked to run an internal LBO model to anticipate what a financial sponsor may bid in a transaction. Furthermore, some of you may serve in leveraged finance groups at an investment bank, which oftentimes raise debt for LBO transactions. So, usually LBOs or their variants are run by leveraged finance groups with more of a focus on credit metrics rather than returns, but nonetheless, the structure is largely the same as what we will be walking you through in this course. And lastly, and probably most importantly, this skill set is unequivocally necessary for those of you looking to break into private equity. LBOs are the bread and butter of the PE world, and the lion's share of interview questions you will get in some way will center around the ins and outs of an LBO model. What's more, during their interview process, most firms will ask you to build out a full LBO from scratch in a modeling exam. So this course will be incredibly useful for those of you looking to break into PE. And as many of you know, PE roles are incredibly coveted positions with grandiose pay, as you can see here, generally ranging from at least 200K up to as much as 400K for pre-MBA associates. In sum, I think you'll find the investment of money and time you've chosen to put into this course carry with them a tremendous return on investment.